Welcome back everyone. Today we are making Mattar Paneer. So clean your counters and join me in this recipe. The ingredients you'll need are cashew nuts, green peas, 2 medium onions and 5 tomatoes, some coriander leaves, garam masala, turmeric, coriander powder, chili powder, kasuri methi, cumin seeds and cloves. I am dicing my paneer into cubes, chopping the onions and leaving it aside. You'll also need ginger julienne, slit chilies and ginger and garlic paste. And finally, chop your tomatoes so we can move on to the method. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Add half of the chopped onions. After a few minutes, add the ginger and garlic paste. The cloves, the cumin seeds and give it a stir. Add the cashew nuts and fry for 2 minutes, followed by the tomatoes. Add salt and cook until soft and mushy. Place it in a mixing bowl and let it cool down before grinding. The next step, add 2 tablespoons of oil in a frying pan. The remaining onions, the ginger juliennes, and the slit chilies. Lower the flame. Put in 1½ tablespoon of coriander powder, half a tablespoon of turmeric powder, and red chili powder. Add some water to the mix and let it simmer for a few minutes. Add a teaspoon of kasuri methi and some tomato puree. One and a half teaspoons of salt, a teaspoon of sugar, add the blended mixture we prepared earlier, half teaspoon of garam masala, 2 tablespoons of double cream, and gently put in the paneer cubes. Add the peas and give it a stir. Cover with the lid and let it cook for a few minutes. After 5 minutes, the Mattar Paneer should be ready. Turn off the flame and add some coriander leaves. Place the Mattar Paneer in a serving bowl. Add some double cream on top. And some coriander leaves for garnishing. The Mattar Paneer is now ready. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and I will see you on the next one.